Hi, Rob.Kavanaugh here with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. I would like to introduce you to this 2016 Coachmen Leprechaun 260 RS. It's just a little over 26 feet, but it has lots of space on the inside, big storage capacity on the outside, unique floor plan. Let's go have a look inside. Now that we're inside, you can see it has a generous cab over with plenty of space up top, and pretty rare nowadays, a cab over window. So the kids would love it. It adds a lot of extra light in the RV. And then as you go into the cab, it's the bulletproof Triton V10 engine. This particular one has a backup camera. As you go into the living space, you can see a very large dinette booth, which also folds down to a bed. And then a little mini booth. It would be great for kids or just extra people. As we move back, you could see it has a 3-burner stove with microwave, stainless steel sink, lots of walking space, and you have one slide out on this one with a really nice size room. It's a walk-around bed, queen size, lots of storage space in here, and as you can see there, a really nice space bathroom as well. This particular RV is in really good shape. It's not too big, not too small. I think it will check all the blocks. Rob.Kavanaugh again. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this RV. If you like this RV or any other RV, contact me. My information is right here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Thank you.